The girl, the man with the black mask, the faceless driver, he was there everywhere. It was a dream, encroaching, stifling, unreal. I read somewhere dreams are repressed realities of your subconscious. But how could this dream be a part of my subconscious? It was an assortment of absurdities. The faceless driver, the accident, the girl, the man with the black mask. He was who made it so unreal, so dramatic. Only in drama one could be so vulnerable, so at risk. He was there everywhere. Everything led to him. He was embodiment of pure evil. He was Othello, coming to kill Desdemona. He was strangling the girl. It seemed he was strangling me. How a dream's personalities seem to vanish. He was the one who made it impossible not to believe. It was a dream. I heard them. I heard all of them thinking, and believe me, It is not as exciting as it sounds. Imagine yourself hearing people thinking of you as an object, a thing to use and then throw away. Sounds can be intimidating when you cannot identify one from another.
Good morning.
Hi.
Sense ceases to exist when that happens. Sensibility too. I could not know why things were molding themselves before me the way they were. Were it all because of the dream? Were there others who could hear thoughts? Or was my mind hallucinating? The masked man. Man with the mask. The knife. I thought of the masked man and the girl he was strangling. She was scared. Her face was the face of fear itself. One should be brave, but how one can be? Stripped of dreams, even morality? I did not know how I came to hear people think. I had to find out.
Yeah, I got that. Okay.
I dreamt. I saw a guy with a knife. I woke from a dream. I don't know what is happening to me, but I can read what is there in the people's mind.
You have the ability of clairvoyance. Yes, ability to see hidden things.
What is it? Clairvoyance. What do you mean by clairvoyance?
Existence of paranormal and psychic ability. Clairvoyance has not been supported by any scientific evidence. Yes, clairvoyance, parapsychology, and pseudoscience. Yeah,
I'm asking you, what has happened to me?
the intuitiveness, the ability to see hidden things and know things without being told. Yes, others will say, others see through dreams, others actually hear the spirit talk to them, others via dreams. And Miss Bianca, if I may ask. Oh, she's gone.
But nothing could help. Not even Mr. Craig.
Hello? Hello? Anybody in? Hello? Alano? Alano? What happened to you, Alano? Look at me. What?
What does it mean to be a woman in India? To be the coolest person in school. To be that friend to whom you could tell your somber secrets and ridiculous dreams. To be that person who you fall in love with. To be the person with liveliest dreams and most fantastic notions. To be a person living in thick of emotions, love, anger, passion, pain. To be the only one impeccable amongst the torn multitudes. It means to be alive in a lively nation. I belong here. I belong to this civilization and this age. I belong to this country. I have friends in this country. Friends I trust. Dolly,
यार प्रिया का फोन आया था, एक बार फोन कर ले उसे।
who should pass off as my mother any given day.
मेरा बैग। अरे ये यार, पता है बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट डॉक्यूमेंट्स थे। आज कॉलेज में ढूंढती रही, मिले ही नहीं मुझे। तू किससे बात कर रही है? ओए,
तेरी बात होगी है? क्या कह रही थी वो?
हाँ हो गई है।
Vimy,
एक्चुअली ना उसकी मॉम की तबीयत खराब है। वो बोल रही थी कि वो
the only one who laughs at all my jokes, however terrible they are.
वेरी गुड। पता है तुझे, वो पूछ रहा था
Here, I can dream. I can dream to be a lawyer and be in those dusky wooden chambers with towering shelves and voluminous books. I can dream to be, one day, learned enough to converse in the language of the biggest constitution of the world. I can dream to write a book, or maybe even more. Here, dreams comes true. Trived, with whom I share a dream.
Today we are treating together the law, people, and the land. India is a great nation with solid, strong foundation with the sweat of our great forefathers. Suresh and Manish, out of my class.
किया क्या है मैंने?
I said out of my class.
पता नहीं क्या चाहती हैं.
Right to life constitutes one of the fundamental rights of the constitutions. You want to play speed run? Don't worry, let the class finish. This right is up for severe interpretation and debates.
मैम हमेशा सुंदर दिखती है. काश मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड भी इन्हीं की तरह हो. मैं इनकी फोटो अपने एल्बम में चाहता हूँ.
All in all, don't worry, I'll take a photograph with you on your graduation day. Today in India, you concentrate.
Done.
I was happy that day. I was living one of those dreams. The dreams tend to melt even quicker than we thought. They turn to nightmares.
Beauty divine make me want lose my mind. I'm dressed to impress, so I stay on my grind.
अब मैं तुमसे 2 मिनट बात कर सकता हूँ? हाँ, यहाँ पर नहीं, यहाँ पर बहुत लाउड म्यूजिक है. बाहर चले मेरी कार में.
मैं अपने फ्रेंड्स को बता कर आती हूँ.
अरे नहीं. अब यू गए और यू आए. Let's move. और तुम्हारे घर पर सब कैसे हैं?
हाँ सब ठीक है. और तुम बताओ?
सब मजे में? जब से मैंने तुम्हें देखा है
Is there a thing called life? Can it be violated, trod, and crossed upon? Is it really that easy to break someone? And if it is, then what's a broken life worth?
नेहा डॉली
हाँ क्या?
देखो ना नेहा को क्या हो गया.
Is it really you whom you walk with? Is human figure really that distant from soul? If not, then why does it feel in the bottomless abyss of one's heart that it ought to be much better after death? Can you trust your friends? How can one investigate friendships? Are loyalties to be tested? Can nations do that? If they can, what is the punishment for betrayal? Can you trust yourself? When do you know you aren't dreaming? When do you know your dreams have been brutally smothered? When do you know your life has ended? When do you know your life has ended? You know, somehow.
क्या हुआ तुमको? ओए, ऐसे क्यों चली आई वहाँ से? क्या हुआ है तुझे? नेहा, मैं तुझसे बात कर रही हूँ। What happened to you?
क्या हुआ नेहा? बताया भी नहीं। मैंने तुझसे पूछा भी, तूने बताया नहीं।
बता नेहा, हम तुझसे बात कर रहे हैं। बोल ना।
नेहा, मैंने तुझे बुलाया, तुमने कुछ रिप्लाई भी नहीं किया।
यार,
तूने कुछ खाया भी नहीं कई दिनों से, ना पिया। बता चुप क्यों है? किसी से बात भी नहीं कर रही है।
यार, अरे यार बता, देख क्या हो रहा है?
You know it right there and then. You know you have been betrayed by that very same civilization, that age, that nation. You know it with thousands like you. You know it with that 5-year-old girl in Bangalore. You know it with that girl in New Delhi. You know it with all those around you. You know when your life has ended. You know somehow.
आजकल की लड़कियां कुछ भी कपड़े पहनकर निकल आती घर से। हाँ यार, सही बात है। उन्हें अपना कुछ ध्यान ही नहीं रहता। क्या हुआ है?
Good morning. All set? Everything fine? Your name?
Rahul.
What do you mean by Rahul? You're not supposed to sit like this. Sit properly.
It's college.
But it doesn't mean. Okay. Today we want to discuss about law versus morals. Who gonna tell me what is law? What do you think about law? Bolo?
Law is a word still which don't have any universally accepted definition. But one definition is there. Law is a system of rules and regulation which are to be followed by the common people. These laws are made by the government and the societies.
Okay. So recently we heard about different rape cases in Delhi. Women still protested. Still suffering. So what do you want to know about this? There are more reasons. People are saying girls are wearing short dresses, their dressing sense. Just want to know your opinion. What do you want to say about this? People saying rape cases are increasing. The percentage, the level of rape cases are increasing.
मैम
Yes, you.
मैम मैं ये बोलना चाहूंगी कि जिस हिसाब से आप बता रही हैं कि छोटे कपड़ों से और बड़े कपड़ों से ज्यादा रेप केस हो रहा है, तो मैम ऐसे तो डॉक्टर्स को भी हो जाना चाहिए। डिलीवरी के टाइम पे जो मदर होती है और जो बेबी होता है वो भी वही चीज देखता है, तो फिर उस हिसाब से उनको भी रेपिस्ट होने जाना चाहिए अगर रेस्ट सेंस की बात आती है तो।
देखिए, जिस तरीके से इसने कहा कि छोटे कपड़ों से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, मैं ये कहना चाहूंगा कि अगर कोई लड़की घर से बाहर निकलती है तो शायद हम उसे गौर से नहीं देखेंगे। तो मैं बिल्कुल मानता हूँ कि छोटी ड्रेस जो है लड़कियों को इनको बिल्कुल ध्यान देना चाहिए, इनको बिल्कुल देना चाहिए। उनके माँ बाप को भी समझना चाहिए कि अपने घर बाहर जो लड़कियां निकले तो फुल ड्रेस में निकले, लड़कों से बच कर निकले।
आई डिसएग्री। एक्चुअली अगर आपको रिमेम्बर हो 16 दिसंबर का केस, तो उस दिन उस लड़की ने प्रॉपर ड्रेसअप किया हुआ था, प्रॉपर फुल जीन्स एंड टॉप पहना हुआ था, देन तो उसका रेप हुआ। तो आई डोंट थिंक सो कि शॉर्ट ड्रेसेस की वजह से रेप हो रहे हैं।
बट मैम वो लड़की उस टाइम गलत समय और गलत जगह पर थी।
मैं आई एम ओनली गिविंग यू द एग्जांपल।
नहीं, ये लोगों की मेंटालिटी पे
दिन में भी
डिपेंड।
रेप होते हैं, अगर आप न्यूज़ में पढ़ते हैं तो दिन में भी रेप होते हैं।
इंडियन लोगों की मेंटालिटी पूरा देश जानता है, इसीलिए इंडिया में
आई डोंट थिंक सो। अगर आप न्यूज़ देखें, आप न्यूज़ अगर देखते हैं या पढ़ते हैं तो आपको मालूम होगा।
बात दिन में रेप की नहीं है, बात है इंडियन लोगों की मेंटालिटी की।
तो मेंटालिटी।
Stop arguing. Stop. We are here for the healthy discussion only. You're not supposed to argue. Understood?
Can you trust your friends? How can one investigate friendships? Are loyalties to be tested? Can nations do that?
You, come out. You don't belong here.
I don't understand.
You don't understand.
Yes?
You know you're the sharp edge. Study the future.
हेलो हेलो आंटी, मुझे आपसे कुछ बताना है नेहा के बारे में। आंटी, मुझे बताना है कि वो बहुत परेशान है, कुछ दिनों से बहुत डिस्टर्ब है आंटी। कुछ भी खा पी नहीं रही है, किसी से बात भी नहीं कर रही है और हमेशा अकेले अकेले रहती है आजकल 2-3 दिनों से।
आंटी, इसकी बात पर ध्यान मत दीजिए। हाँ नहीं, कल रात ही मैं उससे मिली थी और मॉर्निंग में भी उससे बात हुई है। हाँ जी आंटी, मुझे लग रहा है उसे मलेरिया हुआ है। हाँ, अगर आप आ सकें यहाँ पर तो उसे थोड़ा अच्छा लगेगा, वो थोड़ा बेटर फील करेगी। हाँ जी आंटी। हाँ जी आंटी। क्या कर रही हो तुम उसके पेरेंट्स को टेंशन देना चाहती हो? मानना चाहती हो क्या? उसकी हालत देखो।
You gorgeous. आज मुझे तुम्हें छूने का मौका मिल ही गया। I'm lucky. हुआ क्या?
You do know that what is there in your mind.
साइलेंस। त्रिवेद, नेहा,
नेहा, मैं चाहती हूँ कि तुम अपने लिए आवाज उठाओ, किसी और के लिए नहीं। अपने लिए आवाज उठाओ ताकि लोगों को सच्चाई का पता चल सके। नेहा,
Dhruvet, Dhruvet, you are alleged, and to hold this allegation,
silence.
What do you have to say for this?
I want to clear. Neha never said I did so. It's Miss Priyanka who alleged me for this. I don't understand.
I have read this report. Neha has not talked to anyone after the night she went to the party. Are you aware?
Yes.
Do you have any discussion with Neha prior to this panel?
No.
Then, how do you know she was?
Allow Neha to speak for herself. I heard Neha that day. No. Change your thought.
Are you trying to influence her?
I failed. When you know someone, when they're standing bare before you, without pretenses and prejudices, you can mold their thoughts the way you want. But I failed with Neha. Is there a limit to scathing emotional pain and brutal physical pain one could bear? Souls tend to grow afresh when they are brutally mutilated, much stronger than before, much fierce, just like Christ.
Sometimes life is an unending catechism of sorts. A series of questions whose answers you would never know. What if you did know the answers? What if you did know the culprits? What can you do then? It's not all about me. Unborn generations pitted for the worst of conclusions. You lose your voice then. You know when that happens. You know somehow. There are countless souls like Christ. We need more. Maybe I'm wrong in thinking this. But maybe these are the kind of wrongs one needs in this life. I wish she lived. She lost her voice. There's much need for them.
These voices, frail, incomplete, sometimes incomprehensible, but strong, stronger than all ours. The most powerful voice.